Which of the following is an example of horizontal sharing of power? Option A, power sharing between different states. Option B, power sharing between different organs of the government. Option C, power sharing between different levels of the government. Option D, power sharing between different political parties. Who elects the community government in Belgium? Option A, people belonging to one language community only. Option B, by the leaders of Belgium. Option C, the citizens of the whole country. Option D, the community leaders of the Belgium. The community government signifies option A, the powers of government regarding community development. Option B, the powers of the government regarding lawmaking for the community. Option C, the powers of the government regarding cultural, educational and language related issues. Option D, the government enjoys privileges to safeguard the interest of a particular community. The word ethnic signifies option A, different religions. Option B, social division on shared culture. Option C, a violent conflict between opposite groups. Option D, a careful calculation of gains and losses. Power sharing is dash. Option A, the very spirit of democracy. Option B, separation of the powers at different levels. Option C, system of checks and balances. Option D, a type of balancing powers. Choose the correct options. Power sharing is desirable because it helps. Option A, to increase pressure on government. Option B, to reduce possibilities of conflicts. Option C, to generate awareness among people. Option D, to increase percentage of voters. System of checks and balances means dash. Option A, horizontal distribution of powers. Option B, separation of powers. Option C, put a check on the exercise of unlimited powers of the organs of government by maintaining a balance of power among various institutions. Option D, federal division of powers. Consider the following two statements on power sharing and select the answer using the codes given below. Code A, power sharing is good for democracy. Code B, it helps to reduce the possibility of conflict between social groups. Which of these statements are true and false? Option A is true but B is false. Option B, both A and B are true. Option C, both A and B are false. Option D, A is false but B is true. In dealing with power sharing, which one of the following statements is not correct about democracy? Option A, people are the source of all political power. Option B, in a democracy, people rule themselves through institutions of self-governance. Option C, in a democracy, due respect is given to diverse groups and views that exist in a society. Option D, in a democracy, if the power to decide is dispersed, it is not possible to take quick decisions and enforce them. A belief that the majority community should be able to rule a country in whichever way it wants by disregarding the wishes and needs of the minority is dash. Option A, power sharing. Option B, central government. Option C, majoritarism. Option D, community government. A system of checks and balances is another name for which one of the following power sharing arrangements. Option A, power sharing among different social groups. Option B, vertical division of power or power shared among different levels of government. Option C, horizontal division of power or power shared among different organs of the government. Option D, power sharing in the form of political parties, pressure groups, and government. Which one of the following statements about power sharing arrangements is correct? Option A, power sharing is necessary only in societies which have religious, linguistic, or ethnic divisions. Option B, power sharing is suitable only for big countries that have regional divisions. Option C, every society needs some form of power sharing even if it is small or does not have a social divisions. Option D, power sharing is not necessary at all. Consider the following statements about the ethnic composition of Sri Lanka. Statement A, major social groups are the Sinhala speaking, that is 74%, and Tamil speaking is 18%. Statement B, among the Tamils there are two subgroups, Sri Lankan Tamils and Indian Tamils. Statement C, there are about 7% Christian who are both Tamil and Sinhala. Statement D, most of the Sinhala speaking are Hindus or Muslims and most of the Tamil speaking are Buddhist. Which of the above statements are correct? Sinhala was recognized as the only official language by the dash. A government for the entire country is usually called dash. Dash was amended 4 times between 1970 and 1993. Dash is referred to as social division based on culture and language. Community government is a very specific type of government in Dash.